Hi, my name is Shamanpreet Kaur and my student ID is 3038347 I am a student of Federation University. Currently, I am studying Masters of Technology Specification in Enterprise System and Business Analytics. So this is my last semester and I am doing the last subject, that is mine, ITECH7415, the master project. So I'm going to represent my individual reflection for this project. So the project name is the CRM solution system. So this is the bit detail about the project. I have provided the details of the project, client, project name, company name, everything over there. So the the client organization is the Amazing Solar Solution Private Limited Company. So the client name is Ms. Tina Arora. And our supervisor was Mr. Hari Krishna. Our tutor was Mr. Bilal Chaudhary, and we were 4 members in the team for this project. So Akansha, Kajal, Grace, and myself, Shamanpreet. So Akansha was our team member, and rest of the 3 team members were the Scrum Master for this project. So first of all, we will go through the project background and the project details. So what was the basic aim for this project? So the basic aim for this project was to design and develop a CRM system for the Amazing Solar company. So so this project will also increase the rate of the quality lead generation and the customer convergence through the effective management of the customer information, targeted customer-centered marketing campaigns, and automation of the repetitive tasks, so that they can increase the company's overall performance, overall profitability also. So beside that, the objective of this project is also to increase the quality of the lead generation, increase their customer conversion. Further, the lead management will be automated, and same with the sales statistics and the report generations. So the basic problems, the problem statement provides the background overview of the problem being solved. So as you can see that the client's database have been growing exponentially due to the supply expansion. However, the lead generation has been substandard for this. So that is why the client is been this company is in very urgent need for such kind of the system that can help to generate the quality lead for its sales team and ultimately enhance their conversion rate also, that can result in improving the sales as well as the revenue. So the CRM, that is the customer relation management. So this is one of the suitable system that meets all of the client's needs, that whatever the client needs, it will fulfill their client's need. So if we talk about the product backlog, so the product backlog provides the foundation for the planning and includes all the work items, including the user stories. So moving to the next slide, that is all about the project overview. So this is a bit of the things I have highlighted over in this slide. So we have started this project on 19th of August 2021, and we have finished our project on 17th of October 2021. So what we have done through this project is we did the literature review that was being done by all of the team members. We did the literature review each week. Then we made the project storyboard. We made the user stories, and the accomplishment were done in this. So the next point is the project roadmap. We made the roadmap for the project. Coming to the next, that is we did the survey through the Google Forms platform. We conducted the survey and we uploaded on this specific platform, that is the Google Forms. Then next we completed the project demonstration, in which we have included the our promo video and the poster. So the next thing that we have done in this project is a sprint. So there were like 3 sprints we completed in like period of 2 weeks. Each sprint have taken 2 weeks to be completed. So there were 3 sprints in this project in this project. So the last and the final thing is the project write-up. So that is the documentation, that is the end report for our project. Coming to the next slide, that is the sprint backlog. So as I have told you earlier, we have completed we did the 3 sprints. So this is all my contribution in 3 different sprints that I have been contributed. What was my contribution to the sprint 1, 2, and 3? So I have done the literature review. I was involved in the 2B model and ERD diagram, questionnaire, survey design, data collection and analysis for the sprint 1. In sprint 2, my contribution was to collect the data and have a look at the survey responses, how many responses we have got on the survey, and then afterward collect the data from that survey responses. Then conduct a qualitative and the quantitative analysis from that survey responses. And the third sprint, I have done the discussion on the data analysis. We have provided few of the recommendation to the client, and the final thing that is the write-up report. So in this, all the team members are involved. So coming to the next slide, that will describe about the description of the largest 3 contribution of what I have contributed in this project. So the first contribution is the BPR. Second is the create 2B model, develop system designed through the UML and ERD diagrams, develop a questionnaire for the qualitative and the quantitative analysis. So we will move to the next, that is the evidence for my work that I have done, that is the 2B model. So I was involved in creating the 2B model with my co-team member Grace. So we both contributed in the 2B model. So this is the we did the 2B model for this project so that we can create a so that we can lead the generation process automated via CRM system. So the BPR, that is the business process re-engineering. So it is the through this process, it was determined that the process would radically improve when automation is done. So automation will involve the integration of a technical system and the process that will facilitate the generation of more leads without the need of the manual efforts by the organization employees. So the automation, when automating the lead generation process, it will allow the repetitive and redundant tasks to be spent up and free up the marketing team to concentrate on more important tasks, which would require more creativity and the personal touch. So coming to the use case diagram. So in the use case diagram, so in this picture you can see the information about the use case diagram. So there are the 3 different categories of the user in the system. The first one is the administration, so that will execute all the processes after login. Then the second is the user, that is obviously the Amazing Solar sales team member that will look after that will handle the clients, actual sales, that will involve in changing the passwords and others. Sale team user will handle the rest of the tasks that will be involved in the sales and the marketing in the CRM system. So the next is the UML class diagram. So this is the UML class diagram. So UML is defined as the unified modeling language. So in this diagram is basically a static structure that illustrates the system structure by indicating all the system class, their respective attributes, operations or the methods, and finally the relationship among all the objects. So as we can see that the Amazing Solar CRM system will consist of the following classes. We have the accounts, contacts, leads, lead source, opportunities, activities, opportunity product, opportunity contact, and the opportunity contact flow. So coming to the next, as I have already told that we have done the survey, we have got the responses around 8. We got 80 to 90 responses on our survey. So we after. So the data collection has been done. So this is a quantitative technique where we used to collect the data. So we collected the data from more than 80 responses. So the questionnaire was to conduct the survey, collected responses from each choice tailed in the numeric form. So in this, you can see in this section, the structure. This section is structured according to the research questions. So you can see that in the first section discussion. Discussion of the findings has been done from the test of the 2 research questions that is based on the market integration, whereas the second section explores the finding related to the performance question. So coming to the next, that is the justification of the contribution as per the skill sets and the time allocated to the project. So our research product requires the establishment of the clear and small goals. This is very clear that if we have the clear and small goals, then only it will definitely help us to research for the appropriate thing that we require for our project. Second, the next is the process of collecting and analyzing the data is time consuming. So according to me, there should be an alternative way for doing this. There should be specific app or something like that, so that we can collect and analyze the data in less time. So this process, I have learned that this process is very time consuming. The third point is the research task should be divided equally among each team member, so that we can fulfill the requirement. We can complete our task in the appropriate time period. The last is the literature review, that is very essential for the theoretical research report. So as I have told, we have done the literature review every week. So the literature review have helped us a lot throughout our project. So now I will discuss about the ideas to improve the course. So what I like the most and what I like the least. So I loved working in the group, and I'm very thankful to my group members, my teammates, and my supervisor, my client, my tutor, who helped us a lot throughout this project. So this project was split into the sprints that helped us have the time achievable goals. Other than this, we have done the agile methodology for the research. So this is one of the methodology we have used throughout our project. So it was very useful because it gave us a sense of direction on how we can go forward with our project. Beside that, I would love to see more of the exposure to data collection tools. So there should be like more of the different data collection tools. There should be the options for this one, so that we can not like as I have told earlier, that the analysis and collection of the data was very time consuming. So there should be an alternative tool or alternative way to do this, so we can complete this whole thing in lesser time. So the last thing that I want to suggest for this course that should definitely be improved for this course is that the submission should be definitely done in just one portal. Either it should be either it should be done through the Moodle, or either it should be done through the Mahara e-portfolio. We should not use like 2 of the portals to submit our assignments. So this is all from my side. I hope you like my presentation. Thank you.